Hello everyone, today we'll be recreating Ariana Grande's position look and having a photo shoot. For this look, you will need a long sleeve bra or bodysuit, a jean skirt, and of course, knee-high boots. As you can see, my look won't be exactly like Ari's. I recreated this with pieces I already own and went with this color palette instead. I think light pink and tan go really well together, and the jean skirt is a simple basic. I made sure this look still executed the retro 60 vibes Ariana Grande went for. As up for the face, I cannot do my makeup, so I'm just applying my rosacea cream, but I know you'll be able to find a makeup tutorial for this look. My earrings are flowers to match Ariana's and in the color pink to match my shirt. As up for my hair, even with the bob, I made this look work.
I feel like a princess right now. I'm brushing my hair and listening to the violins.
By parting my hair to the side and adding barrettes. Of course, if you have a hairband like Ariana's, wear that instead. I used pink barrettes that went well with my shirt. Barrettes give Ariana Grande vibes since she used to wear them. And now you're all set. Now photo shoot time. I use these pics as inspo and try my best to recreate them on my own. As you can see, I used my mirror in some shots, did some selfie angles in another, and parked my camera onto something in order to get the full body shot you are seeing by using the self timer setting. I took all these pictures alone at 2 a.m. in my room because how, like I said on Instagram, my insomnia was bad. As you can see, my room is not the cutest setting, so I want to show you how these pictures were like before editing them on PixArt. The last and final tips are to have fun with it. The pictures I'm sharing to you right now are pictures I decided to take during my self photo shoot. In my collage, my emphasized picture isn't like the album cover, and that's okay. I decided to add my own twist to it. The Ariana Grande pictures you see are also inspo pictures of Ariana that I tried to recreate but ended up not getting good shots of, and that's okay. I had fun creating my own poses while also nailing some of Ari's. If you end up doing this, please tag me on any of my socials or use the hashtag positionscover_ENTV so I see them. Thank you so much for watching. I cannot wait to see you recreate the Positions album cover Miss Ariana Grande. It looks so beautiful in. Please subscribe for more and click on the linked video to jam out to Positions with me. Love you. Take care.